Listen, read and repeat.
A. Cure.
Examine.
Habit.
Hard.
Lose.
Patient.
Swallow.
Weigh.
Wait.
Do one's best.
B. Cure. To cure a disease. To cure somebody of something. Nothing can cure her of her headaches. There is no medicine to cure diabetes.
Examine. To examine a student. To examine a patient. My doctor examined my throat and prescribed a medicine for my cough. It took Dr. Harris about 10 minutes to examine his patient.
Habit. A good habit. A terrible habit. To give up a habit. You should develop healthy eating habits. Smoking is a very bad habit.
Hard. Adjective. Hard work. A hard day. Hard life. It's hard to believe that we are leaving this place and will never come back. Hard. Adverb. To work hard. To breathe hard. To fight hard. I was trying hard to remember her name.
Lose. Lost, lost. To lose money. To lose a pen. Mike lost his job last year. To lose a game. To lose a match. The boys are so sad because they have lost an important football match.
Patient. A new patient. The number of patients in the hospital is higher than usual at the moment.
Swallow. It hurts to swallow. Irina had a cold and it hurt her to swallow. Swallow your medicine.
Weigh. To weigh a lot. To weigh a little. The baby weighs 3 kilos. To weigh a box. To weigh a baby. The shop assistant weighed the tomatoes for me.
Weight. The weight of a box. In weight. To lose weight. To put on weight. The bag was 12 kilos in weight. Have you lost weight lately? James needs to put on some weight.
Do one's best. I'm doing my best to be a good son and a good brother. She says she'll do her best to give up the bad habit of eating too much.